Assalamualaikum. My name is Sybil Chowdhury, and tonight we are here at the SEPMA event, Shan-e-Pakistan's Music Achievement Awards, the first time ever happening in Pakistan. Tonight we have all kinds of performers and our two amazing hosts, Ahmed Ali Butt and Jugan Kazmi. I have Mr. Rafi Israr with me right now. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Are you excited tonight about your song's nomination?
I am totally. Yeah.
So tell me, what is the inspiration behind your song?
It's acoustic pop kind of number, and I just wrote it at 3 a.m. in the morning.
What do you think about SEPMA coming to Pakistan and bringing this platform for the music awards?
I think this is a great initiative, and there are no specific awards for music in Pakistan. So this is amazing for all the upcoming new artists.
So tell me, what do you think about this happening here in Pakistan, Shan-e-Pakistan bringing SEPMA and Music Achievement Awards?
I think it's brilliant and it's very encouraging for all the upcoming and the new talent that we have here. And I'm happy to be here, and it's great weather, great setup, and lovely people that I've met this time around. So
Hi, Mr. Sami, how are you?
I'm good. आप सुनाएं, आप ठीक है?
बिल्कुल ठीक. आपको आज रात कैसा लग रहा है here being here at SEPMA?
माशाल्लाह, सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि म्यूज़िक अवार्ड्स हैं, और क्योंकि मैं खुद भी म्यूज़िक से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ, तो हम लोगों के लिए तो सबसे बड़ी एक्टिविटी इस दफ़ा की यही है कि हम लोगों को एक एप्रिसिएशन नज़र आ रही है इसके अंदर.
Is there anything that you want to tell the new and upcoming musicians? Any piece of advice?
एक्चुअली पाकिस्तान में अनफॉर्चुनेटली पिछले कुछ अरसे से म्यूज़िक का डाउनफॉल सा चल रहा था, क्योंकि हम देखा देखी वाले माहौल में चल रहे थे. लेकिन अब सबसे बेस्ट बात है कि इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ से हो क्या रहा है कि एक एप्रिसिएशन हर बंदे को मिल रही है और हर बंदा आगे से आगे आने की कोशिश कर रहा है. तो थैंक यू सेपमा.
Thank you, SEPMA. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening. Natasha with me, and she was the voiceover for Alaya, right?
I was.
And I remember I was so smitten with her on the red carpet when I met her that time. And so you're nominated tonight.
I am.
You must be extremely excited.
I'm really thrilled, especially because I've been nominated for a song that wasn't supposed to be a mainstream song for Cake, like Bol. It's a very, very different song, and I got nominated as a playback singer for it, and I can't believe my stars. It's amazing.
I have Mr. Abid Buru with me right now. क्या हाल है आपका?
बिल्कुल ठीक. आप सुनाएं.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इधर SEPMA पे?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि मैं ये पहली दफ़ा देख रहा हूँ. मैं एक्साइटेड हो रहा हूँ. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
I have Miss Tina with me. How are you?
I'm good. Tina is good.
Tina's good.
Tina is good.
So tell me, what do you think about Shan-e-Pakistan coming to Pakistan?
Look, I think this is so fantastic for us Pakistani musicians to be celebrating our music in our own country. You know, a lot of times we're being told Pakistani artists have to go outside of Pakistan to be recognized. To that, I always say that we're made in Pakistan. You guys know us because you heard us here, and if you like our quality, it's because of our audiences here in this country.
Have, as you call him, the voice of God, Mr. Faizan. How are you?
That's a rather, imperious title. But I must say, you're also the Shan of Pakistan in many ways, gracing the SEPMA awards tonight.
So tell me, I know you know the best, most of the information behind SEPMA and Shan-e-Pakistan and the platform they've brought here. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, I know all about this because I'm the scriptwriter for the awards ceremony and the summit. But this is a wonderful, wonderful initiative taken by some wonderful people who really care about music, who don't just care for the traditional music that we've had for centuries. They want to preserve that, but they also want to include genres, like electronic music, qawwali, you name it.
Mr. Shaznan Nawaz, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I can't believe I didn't recognize you walking up here on the platform.
It's probably age showing or the beard, one of the two.
Oh, well, maybe one of the two. So I heard you were one of the keynote speakers yesterday.
I was, yes, I was.
What do you think about Shan-e-Pakistan bringing SEPMA here to Pakistan?
To begin with, I just love the way they had put the nomenclature, and I'm a sucker for Pakistan, and rightly so. So when they contacted me for the first time, and when I heard it was called Shan-e-Pakistan, I was floored already, right? So I was so excited to be there, and I was. and of what I hear, I did contribute. I did justice to my being there yesterday, and I talked about marketing and brand and how branding plays its part in music. But importantly, I made the audience understand how a brand is not necessarily a product or service, but it could be your country as well. So it's a country brand. And then I talked about the music and what we have been doing for our country and Pakistani music, and especially the tarana and the naghmas that we have been doing in face of adversity, knowing that just recently there was this war clouds. So it was pertinent to be talking about that.
I have Mr. Javed Bashir. आप कैसे हैं आज?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप सुनाइएगा।
कुछ ठीक। तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज शान पाकिस्तान सेपमा पे आने का?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है। सबसे पहले जितने लोग आए हैं और शो देखेंगे आज, तो ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया लगा मुझे। हुमान नसर और फ़ाहद और जितने भी यहाँ की टीम है, दो ही चीज़ें हैं जो दुनिया में रिप्रेजेंट करती हैं पाकिस्तान को, एक स्पोर्ट्स और एक म्यूज़िक। तो मैं अल्लाह का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि पाकिस्तान में ये महफिलें आ रही हैं और ये रौनकें आ रही हैं। आई रियली थैंक्स टू माई गॉड।
मैं समझता हूँ कि आर्टिस्टों के लिए, म्यूजिशंस के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है और एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म है। जो लोग तरसें किसी प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए, उन लोगों को भी मौका दिया जा रहा है इस पर, और नए टैलेंट को ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया जा रहा है और सीनियर्स के साथ मिलाया जा रहा है, जबकि ये एक बड़ी खूबसूरत चीज़ है, क्योंकि लोगों को अपने सीनियर्स के साथ काम करने का मौका नहीं मिलता है इंडस्ट्री में। तो ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें दोनों को आई थिंक ओब्लाइज हो रहे हैं एक साथ ही काम कर।
Well, thank you so much. Good luck to you tonight.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Abbas Ali Khan, who's been nominated tonight for Best Pop category. How are you?
I'm very well, very excited.
Very excited. You don't look so excited.
Okay. I'm very excited.
So, आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये शान पाकिस्तान bringing SEPMA to Pakistan?
I think absolutely fantastic because when I heard about these awards and I saw the categories, how they've divided every specific genre of music, it's great because usually what the other awards they do, they put every genre into one category. So I saw hip hop, I saw EDM, pop, playback. So it's amazing. I mean, aaj jo bhi jeeta hai, no matter who wins, I think this is the win of the music industry together. So I'm really, really happy.
That's absolutely true, and that's really one good thing to say. ये सबका जीत है इधर पाकिस्तान में for the music awards especially. I heard somebody was saying that now they just need an instrumental award.
Absolutely, why not? I mean, we have such amazing instrumentalists. There should be a category at least.
I obviously have the woman who does not need an introduction. Meera ji, how are you?
I'm fine.
And of course, director himself, Mr. Saqib Malik. आप कैसे?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक से बोल जी।
आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है to coming to शान पाकिस्तान and SEPMA Award?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
It's lovely. एक तो मुझे कोई भी मौका लाहौर आने का मिले, मैं दौड़ता हुआ खुशी आता हूँ। And then of course शान पाकिस्तान is a very good platform और it's an excellent opportunity for people to talk about music, to talk about the importance of music. कल इनका पूरा symposium था और आज award ceremony है। And on behalf of Baji, our film, Meera and I are going to be presenting an award tonight. And we're here to spread the word about Baji to Lahoriites.
One of my favorites. I've known her my whole life. I've looked up to her. I've seen her everywhere, and she's always so happy and positive. Miss Simi, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum, Sybil. Thank you. I love you for saying all that.
It's absolutely true. I want to ask you a little bit about शान Pakistan and SEPMA. What do you think about them starting this in Pakistan?
When I got to know about it, I was surprised, happy, and very proud. And I thought, oh, what a wonderful initiative. And music is the neglected child of entertainment. I think it is strangely, it earns more revenue than a lot of other entertainment things, but it's still neglected.
I have Mr. Irfan Pardesi with me right now, who's one of the major sponsors tonight's event. How are you?
Very, very well.
I want to ask you, why did Z Foundation initiate SEPMA with शान Pakistan?
देखिए, ख्वाब देखना तो से तो नहीं रोका जा सकता इंसान को। मैं म्यूजिशियन तो नहीं हूँ। काश किसी ने ढोल बजाना सिखा दिया होता तो म्यूजिशियंस के अल्फाजों को आगे ले जाता। मगर एक शौक़ रखता हूँ कि इस इंडस्ट्री को समझना, की तहज़ीब को समझना, इनके बड़ों से सीखना और सबसे ज़्यादा उन दिलों को अप्रिशिएट करना जिनके अल्फाजों ने बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है। शायद वो खुद भी नहीं जानते उसको कितने लोगों ने इंस्पायर किया है, कितने लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है। So I just feel it's an opportunity to recognize that.
So, Mr. Abdullah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Are you excited for tonight's event?
Yes, it looks great, and the weather is great. Actually, it's funny that Lahore is feeling this way tonight.
No, we really lucked out. Shane Pakistan, Sepma really brought in the good weather tonight. So tell me, what will you be performing tonight?
I'm performing Sufi medley. That's a cover that I did a few years back, in fact.
I have Mr. YBQ with me. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, great. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. So what do you think about Shane Pakistan and Sepma tonight, coming into Pakistan for the first time?
Something amazing. It's something that's united all these legends with these young stars, emerging people, and people from all creative sides, like yourself and myself. So it's uniting all artists. So it's a great platform, and I think we need more platforms like this. It should be an inspiration. It should carry on now.
Especially we have a lot of awards for fashion and TV and things like that. So now it's a good thing that music is coming back into the picture, and we're giving that light back to music.
Music was always in the picture. It was in our blood.
It is in our blood, but it was kind of in the background. Now it's finally back up now with Sepma bringing the awards back and bringing all of our beautiful music and everyone together.
Yes, you're absolutely right. But it was, the score is as important as the actual music. So the score was there, and that's what kept us alive. So, and that's why the music came back in, because it was in our core.
That's true. And tonight, the best part is that we're not just recognizing the one person in front, but everybody who brings that score together.
That is the best part. It's about collaboration. It's about uniting people, and that's the purpose. And that's what Pakistan is about.
What do you think about Shane Pakistan bringing Sepma to Pakistan?
Of course, the proud Pakistan, जिसकी वजह से हम हैं. That's the one part, and the proud Pakistanis and the proud moments.
I have Miss Huma with me, who is the founder of Shane Pakistan and Sepma tonight. How are you?
I'm great. I'm very happy and excited.
And your lovely husband, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So I wanted to ask, obviously this is a great big platform that you're bringing to Pakistan, the Music Achievement Awards. Why did you finally think of bringing it?
Well, I always thought that the music fraternity needs us. And this is dedicated to the music industry itself. Sepma 2019 is one of the achievements which we are trying to give first time in Pakistan. I'm very much sure we will suffice, we will justice the music industry. This is one element which was very strong in all our Shane Pakistan events which had been had in past. So जब हमें ये कहा गया कि आपका म्यूज़िक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो हमने कहा कि चलें हम म्यूज़िक पे ही छा जाते हैं. So we tried and made Sepma, and Sepma is definitely our creativity, but there are supporters like one of Z Foundation is supporting us very greatly. I'm very happy, very excited, because not only music, how it's going to be a turning table, but it's definitely going to add some business prospects for the struggling musicians.
So if you can just say a few words about this project, about Shane Pakistan and Sepma.
I think the vision has taken place, and we will witness the biggest music celebrations, hopefully. It's one of the first ones, but not the last ones for sure. Yeah. Go Shane Pakistan and Sepma.